Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am taking class for life process excretion for class 10th CBSE board. Under the life process, your last topic of the life process, excretion. What is excretion? The biological process involved in the removal of excess or toxic waste materials from the body is called excretion. What is excretion? The biological process involved in the removal of the excess or toxic waste from the body is called excretion. The process of maintaining right amount of water and ionic balance in the body is termed as osmoregulation. What it is termed as? Osmoregulation means maintenance of water concentration. Now both excretion and osmoregulation go on side by side in the body, and the system which is responsible for these functions, this is called excretory system. I hope it's clear. Excretion and osmoregulation go on side by side, and the system which is responsible for these functions is the excretory function. Now, excretory functions, the human excretory waste, this excretory system, it consists of a pair of a kidney. These are the kidney. Now in the kidneys, this one is aorta, aorta, and this is the vena cava. This is called vena cava, right? Now through aorta, blood goes into the kidney, and through vena cava, blood comes out the kidney. During this process, blood is filtered. This is the left kidney, this is the right kidney. Then after filtering, the filtrate is collected through the ureter. This ureter opens into the urinary bladder. Now this urinary bladder, they are the sphincter muscles. They contract and expand. By contracting, bladder is closed. By expanding, through the urethra, urine comes out of the body. Urinary bladder, it stores urine temporarily. Ureter, through this, urine passes from kidney to the urinary bladder. Ureter, they passes the urine filtered from the kidney to the urinary bladder. And sphincter muscle, they keep the bladder closed. In case of the relax, they allow the bladder to be emptied so that urine is passed over it. And urethra, opening through which urine passes outside the body. Urinary bladder stores the urine, and kidney, they had very small kidney filtering units are present in the kidney. They filter the blood. Now in the kidney, as you see here, I am showing you the structure. See, this is your kidney. Now here the kidney, it is divided into two portions, medulla and cortex. And here which you are seeing, these linings structures are present, they are nephrons. Through these nephrons, they are the excretory units. Through here only the blood is filtered and it is collected in the renal pelvis. Collecting tubules होते हैं, यहाँ पर नेफ्रॉन्स होते हैं. नेफ्रॉन से ब्लड फिल्टर होता है और फिल्टर होकर के ब्लड रीनल पेल्विस में आता है, कॉर्टेक्स रीजन, और ये अलग अलग रीजन्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं. अब इसमें आपको क्या होता है, each kidney is about 7 to 10 centimeters long and 2.5 to 4 centimeters broad. Each kidney, they had two main regions, outer cortex, inner medulla, as I have shown you over there. Here you can see outer cortex and inner medulla. Now each kidney, in the cortex region, the urine is made, and from the medulla, urine flows into the cavity called renal pelvis, and from there to the ureter. Inside each kidney, there are about a millions of 1.5 million, about 1.5 million very small filtering units are present. They are known as nephrons or uriniferous tubules. Now, what are nephrons or the uriniferous tubules? As you know already, you had it in your book also, you can see. See, this is the structure of nephron. You are able to see? This is your nephron structure. Now, these nephron, where these linings are there, these linings are lying over these linings, are shown in the short way. this one. These linings, they are the part of this one, and this longitudinal, that is the Bowman's capsule, and this Bowman's capsule, it lies in this part, in this portion of the kidneys, the Bowman's capsule lies. Now what happened? Nephron is the unit of excretion. They are responsible. Each nephron, it consists of Bowman's capsule. What is Bowman's capsule? This cup-shaped structure. This is called Bowman's capsule. As here you can see, I can show you in the next box. Here you can see. See, they are the different. Here is the Bowman's capsule. See, this is the Bowman's capsule. And in this Bowman's capsule, the branch of the renal vein comes here and renal artery comes out. From here, when the blood enters through the high pressure, blood is filtered. After filtering the blood, it passes through the proximal convoluted tubule. यहाँ से ब्लड हाई प्रेशर से फिल्टर हुआ, फिल्टर होकर के प्रोक्सेस कन्वोल्यूटेड ट्यूबुल्स में इसमें कन्वर्ट हुआ. ये जो यू शेप्ड स्ट्रक्चर है, इसको हेनली लूप या कहते हैं. जब यहाँ से वॉल्यूम यहाँ से फिल्टर करके निकलता है तो हाई प्रेशर से इसमें न्यूट्रिएंट्स, प्रोटीन्स वगैरह ज्यादा जो मटेरियल्स जो बॉडी के लिए जरूरत होते हैं वो भी फिल्टर हो जाते हैं, क्योंकि हाई प्रेशर से ब्लड फिल्टर होता है. तब फिर उसके बाद ये जो कैपिलरीज जो यूरिन है ये यहाँ पे नेटवर्क बनाती है. जब ये ऐसे नेटवर्क बनाती है तो इससे जहां पर भी ये कलेक्टिंग चीज होती है, यहाँ से जरूरी मिनरल सॉल्ट्स और मिनरल न्यूट्रिएंट्स इसमें वापस एब्जॉर्ब हो जाते हैं. ये आर्टरी है, ये वेन है, ये आर्टरी और वेन एक साथ भी है. तो यहाँ से जो होते हैं जब ये कम आउट होती है तब ये इसमें नेटवर्क बनाती है. ब्लड इज फिल्टर्ड फ्रॉम द ग्लोमेरुलस इनटू कैप्सूल, that is in the big molecules, proteins stay in the blood. Now here whatever most of the filtered chemicals they are reabsorbed. जब ये नेटवर्क यहाँ बनाती है तो उससे reabsorb. फिर reabsorb के बाद जो excess secretion बनता है, जब इसमें फिर देखिए ये ब्लू डॉट से यहाँ पर शो है एक्सक्रीशन होता है. chemicals they are not reabsorbed, then they are excreted as using the collecting tubule. और ये collecting tubule जो है यहाँ पे renal pelvis में खुलती है. ये connected tubule renal पेल्विस में खुलती है, कलेक्ट्स, और ये फिर ये यूरेटर है. ये यूरेटर जो है ये यहाँ पे यूरेटर इसमें फॉर्म होता है. ये यूरेटर यहाँ जाके यूरिनरी ब्लैडर में एम्प्टी होता है जब यहाँ से कंजस्ट होती है. आई होप इट इज क्लियर. सी ईच नेफ्रॉन इज ए राउंड शेक लाइक बोमेंस कैप्सूल. ये आपका बोमेंस कैप्सूल है विच एक्सटेंड्स इनटू द लॉन्ग रीनल ट्यूब्यूल. ये यहाँ से ये लॉन्ग रीनल ट्यूब्यूल ये लॉन्ग रीनल ट्यूब्यूल में टेस्ट होता है. लॉन्ग रीनल ट्यूब्यूल इनसाइड द कप ए नेटवर्क ऑफ ब्लड कैपिलरीज, और इसके अंदर जो ब्लड नेटवर्क है इसको हम कहते हैं ग्लोमेरुल. ये क्या होता है? ये कैपिलरीज का गुच्छा होता है. तो इस गुच्छे को जो है हम ग्लोमेरुल्स कहते हैं. नेफ्रॉन से जो फिल्टर ब्लड होता है प्रोडक्ट दैट इज कॉल्ड द ग्लोमेरुलेट फिल्ट्रेट. जो ग्लोमेरुलस से फिल्टर हुआ इसमें बोमेंस कब से कैप्सूल में आया, यहाँ पर हाई वेडर्स में होता है. तो इस नेफ्रॉन टू एलिमिनेट वेस्ट लाइक सॉल्ट्स, यूरिया, यूरिक एसिड, एक्सेस वाटर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ यूरिन. तो नेफ्रॉन्स मेक यूरिन. नेफ्रॉन यूरिन बनाते हैं. उसमें 3 स्टेप. पहला स्टेप होता है फिल्ट्रेशन. फिल्ट्रेशन chemicals from the blood in the blood they are filtered into the capsule and then through the thin walls of the capsule into the tube. ये thin walls जो होती हैं कैप्सूल की, इसमें यहाँ filtrate contains blood cells or proteins but has waste like urea in it. जब सेकेंड स्टेप में आता है रीअब्जॉर्प्शन, जैसा कि आपको मैंने यहाँ दिखाया, यहाँ पर फिल्ट्रेशन हुआ. अब इसके बाद यहाँ पर ये reabsorption, most of the filtered chemicals are reabsorbed back into it. Reabsorption, as the filtrate moves down the tubules, useful substances like sugars, amino acids, water and salts are reabsorbed by the cells of the walls of the tubule so that the level of the chemicals in the blood remains constant. This stage it is controlled by hormone. After reabsorption, the next step comes, that is called secretion. The chemicals which are not reabsorbed stay in the nephrons and are excreted. They collect in the pelvis of each kidney from the urine. So the blood is filtered. Now the urine, it has 96% water, 2% waste and 2% bacteria. Whatever, in some cases when the bacteria streptococcus, which occurs It is a toxin which damage the kidney filters. Kidney filters means nephrons. जब nephrons damage हो जाते हैं तो इससे जो ब्लड है फिल्टर नहीं हो पाता है और ये टॉक्सिक सब्सटेंसेस हमारे ब्लड के साथ सर्कुलेट करते हैं। तो गैमेज किडनी डैमेज हो जाती है तब हमको डायलिसिस की जरूरत होती है जो हम आर्टिफिशियल किडनी के थ्रू करते हैं। Okay, now quick here we have a look over your exercises also. See, what are the methods used by plants to get rid of the excretory products? Plants use a variety of techniques to get rid of waste material. For example, calcium oxalate gets deposited as crystals in the grapevine and eucalyptus. Waste materials may be stored in the cell vacuoles or as gums and resin or latex. Shedding of leaves is also a way of getting rid of waste materials. Plants also excrete some waste substances into the surrounding soil. So, as such, any system is not present. Whatever the excretory products are there, they are collected in any one part of the cell and they are removed by body, or that part acts as a dead part of the plant body. How is the amount of urine produced regulated? The amount of urine produced is regulated by the amount of water reabsorbed depends on how much excess water there is in the body and on how much of dissolved waste there to be excreted. On these basis they are regulated, right? Now here compare the functioning of alveoli in the lungs and nephrons in the kidneys with respect to their structure and function. As you know already, both alveoli and nephrons they play a critical role in maintaining homeostasis. Homeostasis यानी बॉडी के अंदर स्टेजेस जो टेम्परेचर जो बायोलॉजिकल कंडीशंस है उसको कांस्टेंट रखना, बॉडी टेम्परेचर पे कायम रखना जिससे कि सारे फंक्शंस अच्छी तरह से हो सके. The stage of homeostasis has to be maintained, so they do so in different. Alveoli, it helps in the gas exchange. Nephrons, they filter the nitrogenous waste from the blood. Alveoli, they design in such a way so that maximum alveoli rounded surface area होते हैं, maximizing surface area for the gas exchange. Nephrons structured in efficiently how they are able to filter and process the blood, means blood को process यानी filter करना to form urine. Alveoli, they are the end products, oxygenated blood and carbon dioxide exhaled out. Nephrons, they produce urine as an end product. I hope everything is clear. Any doubt, anywhere, you can ask me in the comment section. Again, we will meet in the next video for your next chapter. Thank you.